Hi everyone, this is a tutorial to show you how to use the Canvas app on your iPad. So if you don't have this app that says student, that looks like this with the red and white background, go ahead and download it from self-service. It's helpful for certain activities to be using the app instead of the browser. Okay, so when you first open it up, it's going to look like this. It's Canvas Student. You're going to go to Find My School, but you're not going to type in Iolani because we have the free account. So you're going to type in canvas.instructure, make sure you spell it right, .com. Okay, so just like that. And then it'll take a minute for it to load. There you go. And then you're going to type in your iolani.org email and the password that you set for yourself. So I created an account for each of you, and some of you already have an account, right? So if you have an account, just log in with that password. Okay, so I logged in with my personal account because I made myself a student in this class. But you guys should all log in with your Iolani account. Okay, so then you're going to go to Global Health here, and you can see that this looks very similar to the one on Safari, where you have access to the assignment sheet and everything, right? And then the module is on the side here, so it looks very similar, with the exception that the embedded websites don't look, they're not going to be embedded in the app. You have to just click on Open Safari and then it should just load. Okay, so there you go. All right. The other thing I wanted to mention here is on your Canvas, you have a to-do list. So I would check this periodically to make sure that you have taken care of all your to-do. And then go back to my course. The other thing I want to make sure you understand is looking at the module view so that you can see what is going on for the week and what's coming up. So as I publish, as the course progresses, things are going to keep building up on the left-hand side, okay? Let's see. If you have any questions, let me know. And then I will also make another video to show how to submit files.